EasyEst item selection is unique in the industry. Most estimating software uses a drilled down method of selecting items or assemblies from their set of data. We allow you to manipulate and move around horizontally rather than going deeper and deeper. You'll see what I mean in a moment. Item selection can be opened from the view bar on the left side, or if this is turned off, you can reach it from the mid menu. We're going to open it up. As you can see, when you open it up, you're looking horizontally. So you're picking a division and a subdivision and then items rather than drilling straight down and having to back out to go into another category or division. So it's really easy to find items you want. You can search for items. You can use this find box. It will find anything based on the cursor location. If you click here, then click in here, you'll see it says items. If you go over here, it's going to search for subdivisions, and likewise if you click in the division list, it's going to look for divisions. Item selection is also the same area where you select assemblies or super assemblies and actually build assemblies and build super assemblies. So all of the item selection assemblies, super assemblies are done on this screen. Also note that as you're taking items off and they're transferred temporarily to the worksheet below, you will be able to unit match and automatically put values in. Choose a location with this button right here where you want the items to be grouped by. When you're selecting items, you can select multiple items not next to each other by holding the control key down and clicking the item that you want to take off. So we can take these 3 items off by clicking the transfer button here. With the items we have in the list in the worksheet below, we can either move them to the item and stay right here with this button here, or if you're finished and you want to leave, you would click the done button and it will take these items to your current bid and close this screen. Right now we're just going to remove these items, and also we'll talk about this a little later, but items that have formulas connected to them, those can be answered with this answer question button, as well we'll go through at a later time in another video. Sometimes the takeoff quantity is the same in more than one item. We have what we call unit matching. So if you put in here SF for square foot, and let's put 500 in here, and let's take off some 6-inch slab. We're going to take that off, and we'll go down and we'll take off the next one, which is in cubic feet, and you'll see what happens, and also some sand and wire. When we transfer those down, you'll notice that it has the 500 in the slab and a 500 square feet in the sand and wire, but does not have it in something that has a different unit of measure. While we're in the worksheet, you can change an item's description here. Obviously you can put a quantity in. You can change the location of various bits of information by dragging them around the screen. So you can arrange this screen the way you would like to see it for your particular use. Just for further clarification, we're going to take off a couple more items and link them to a location, and we're going to use this. Highlight it and hit the use button or F8 and it will pull that back in. Now you have the number 8 there, and if you're not sure what that is, you'll look at the lower left. It says it's lumber there. Until we change that, everything we take off is going to be associated with that location. We're going to take off some plates, and I'm just going to double click on it. We're going to add it, and we can also click on multiple ones like I mentioned before. You can click on transfer if you wish, but going and double clicking seems to work best. And we're going to double click this one, and we'll go over here to some timbers just to have something else on there. And you'll notice if you look down here, we have the location automatically grouping these items that we just took off. This finishes this brief overview. We're going to click on Done, and you'll see that the items we just took off are in this current bid.